Hello, everyone. My name is Lisbeth Narvaez, and today I'm going to talk about the section Where to Go from my Colombia Travel Bucket List blog. I chose this section because the coffee Rilo has beautiful places that every traveler should visit. The first place you must visit is Salento. It's a colorful town with artisan shops and very friendly people. You can walk around the streets and look around the small stores. The second place you should go to is Cocora Valley. It has the tallest palm trees in the world and views are amazing. You can hike up the trails and enjoy the green mountains. Conclusion: Salento and Cocora Valley are two wonderful places you must see in the Coffin Rilo. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.